Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Audrey. For all my new subscribers, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe now. Today it's very cold. I'm not 100. I'm just gonna make some soup, some chicken soup. Starting off with my I already peeled my pumpkin and my carrot. Let me show you guys. Just for ahead of time, I peel my carrot and my pumpkin. Add it here in some water. I'm just peeling my turnip. It's so big that I had us to cut it and use just this. I'm just doing some soup for 3. So peeling my turnip. Nice chicken soup in this cold weather. So guys, how you all doing? It's been a while. See, I show you some videos. I post some videos the other day. Got my turnip. Knife or sharpen. Knife not that sharp at all. And you know, as a kid, I never used to love this. When my mother used to make soup and put turnip in the soup, I never used to like it. And for some reason, being an adult, I get to love turnip. Love turnip in my soup. Some in my carrot. And put in 2 carrots. I love a lot of vegetable in my soup, so sometimes I end up I'm cooking a small amount, and by the time I finish cook, it's a big pot of soup, and it's mostly vegetable. So I love my carrot and my pumpkin now. Cutting it small because I want this to boil out, you know. I want the pumpkin to boil out. This is so... My knife is dull. I need to sharpen it. That's okay. I sharpen it and go cut it myself, eh? It's so funny when you're younger. There are certain things that you never used to like, and becoming an adult now, you get to love it. Because my mother used to be a person who used to love to cook soup on Saturdays. Couldn't tell me nothing about soup. Me ball when soup cook, because I don't want no soup. Worse, I go back up and turnip in there. I never used to love it. And I don't know, since of late, I just get to love soup. Just get to love my chicken soup with my vegetable. You know? So, cutting up my carrot because my pumpkin, I need my pumpkin to boil out to give it that flavor and that color. And this is my cocoa. I love to put cocoa in it because I want everything to cook right out and give it that flavor. I don't like to find the cocoa where I'm biting on it. I don't like it. But when I put the cocoa in it and cook it out, it give it that nice flavor in the soup. So I'm cutting my cocoa. Cutting it small. My daughter loves cocoa, so I might just cut the other one, put the other piece in there just like that, so at least she can have that because she loves cocoa. Cut these small. There's this piece. I'm gonna just peel it and just drop it in there like that for her. If it boil out, it boil out. If it don't boil out, she lucky she gets something, you know. But I just use it for flavor in my soup. Well, I miss being in Jamaica because cooking soup now at least I get a piece of breadfruit. This is my chocho. And guess what, guys? I heard that the chocho, if you juice it with a green apple and the green apple, the chocho and celery, and drink it, I'm gonna do it. My uncle said it's very good for taking fat off the belly. And chocho is good to even, I didn't know that this was so good. This was another fruit vegetable I didn't like. I didn't like this as a child coming up, and now I love it. If you slice this thinly and put it in your salad, it's good too. Just slice it and put it in your salad. It's good. So I'm gonna try and consume it raw, as well as I'm gonna juice it. I'm gonna do it and show you guys. I'm not gonna just talk. I'm gonna get me a chocho with celery and the green apple. I think I might make that this weekend. Celery and green apple, I make that. So you see, I have all my vegetable here ready. Okay. All my vegetable is ready. I'm not gonna put all of it, I'm just gonna put half. So I'm gonna show you guys. My chicken is already cut and seasoned. Yes, not because I'm doing soup. I need the chicken to have flavor, have taste. So what I did, I went ahead and seasoned my chicken with, see, this, bought this today and it's not good. I'm gonna throw it away. With pimento seed and a little salt. You see, so I crushed the pimento seed. I crushed it out almost into a powder. Let me show you what I use. This is my, we call this a little mortar. And I have my pimento seed right here. So that's what I did. I crushed it out in my thing like that, and I season my chicken. So let me go ahead now and put my pot on. I'll be back. This is the pot that I'm going to cook the soup in. So it is on. Turn my stove on. Crushing my garlic to put in my water for the soup. Just crush them and just cut them in two to put in my soup. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna put my vegetable in. And allow this to cook. Then I will get back to you guys. Let this go and cook. I'm gonna take a shower and come right back to it. Hey guys, I'm going to knead my flour now. I'm gonna finish my soup. Take my shower already. So I'm gonna finish my soup, wash my hands, everything. This is my flour. Make my little dumplings to put in it. Sorry that you have to be so far from me. I'm not turning my back on you guys, but my place is small. It's very cold outside. Very, very cold. And on a cold day, what would you want to eat? Soup, of course. The best thing. on a cold day soup. Even if you want to have something after, that's why I'm not going to put too much food in this soup, but something warm is always appreciated in the winter. And I need flour in it, guys. In the container I need it in. When I'm done, I'm gonna show you. Look, see? You have to know how to do this thing. Tight dumpling. Go in the soup. Tight dumpling. Like my dumpling tight. Okay. In. I'm gonna put in my chicken up and my vegetable is cooked. I'm gonna put my chicken in, and then I put my food in. I show you guys how I do soup already, so I don't have to even take the camera up close and personal. I'm just doing a video, seeing as it go along. I'm doing a video just to let you guys, keep you guys in check with me. Okay, that is that. Now I'm going to, I have my yam peel already. My Irish potato, I'm only putting one Irish in it, just a little piece of yam. And then I wanted corn, but when I went to the supermarket, I didn't like how the corn look, and I don't like the frozen corn, so I didn't bother to buy any corn. So I'm just gonna put in my dumplings. As I said, I don't want too much food in it, and then I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Okay, so guys, see my pot bubbling. So I'm gonna put my yam and Irish in. I already washed them. I prepare stuff ahead of time. This is my little dumplings. Yes, this soup is really looking nice for a cold day like this. Anybody need some soup, just text me or leave it in the comment and I will get it to you, okay? I sure will get it to you. There. See that? As I said to you guys, my chicken, I season it with pimento and salt. Okay, this is my green pepper, spicy pepper. I don't cut it because I don't want the soup to be spicy, just the flavor. My green onion, which is scallion I call it. Put in everything right now because this soup, you can season the pot once you put your food in. My fresh thyme. And then this is my vegetable noodle. Guys, this gives your soup a wonderful flavor if you're doing soup like this. And I don't need the full pot because it is very rich, and I don't want About half of the pack will do for me. And what I'm going to do, I haven't used cock soup in a while. This Grace cock soup. I'm going to use some of this cock soup just to get a little more color, because my pumpkin wasn't that much. But hold on, guys. I don't want too much of the noodle. So this is the cock soup I'm putting in. Don't like too much of the noodle. Sometimes that tends to make your soup too thick. Okay, so I'm gonna stir this. And of course I'm gonna taste it and see if the salt is enough, because remember I seasoned the chicken with a little salt. The noodle itself have salt in it, so let me taste it to see. And of course it's good. I need no more salt, so let this cook for a while and I'll show you. Soup is ready. See guys, the soup is ready. Okay, and that's the chicken soup. Thank you all so much. Look at this. See that? Leave this to cook. Sorry, I can't show you when I'm done because I'm running out on the road as soon as I turn the stove off. Okay, so guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you do enjoy this video, and please remember to subscribe. Give me the encouragement, guys. Subscribe, let me know that you guys, and if I'm doing something wrong that you guys not, you know, saying something, if I, you know, not pushing more, just tell me, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a blessed and wonderful day. Okay, bye now.